Little Sweethearts is a delightful pink range of fabrics from Macau and Andover Fabrics, and they have provided you and me with a free downloadable pattern which looks like this. The author of the quilt has used a very traditional friendship style block. This used to be plain fabric in the middle in which we could write our name, so it was like an autograph quilt, if you like. And although it looks quite complicated and the blocks are not set on point, they are square, so it's really straightforward to construct. If you don't want to do that, you might like to think about putting cornerstones in. I'm just going to shove that. It's not the right size, but you'll get an idea just to see. You could have a variety or another fabric coming in here just to create cornerstones, which actually for me means the construction is easier. And actually I think it gives another dimension. You can they can have corner squares out here too, which is another design element which makes your quilt unique and slightly more scrappy look.